What's up guys, Dave here from Knives, Gadgets, and More, and today we're gonna unbox and review a knife. Let's go! Alright guys, so as you can see here we have a Civivi, and this is the Civivi Elementum. You can see it right there. So, like I said, we're gonna unbox this knife. I just got it in, I bought it, and we're gonna see what you get in the box, and we'll talk about the features. Alright, we got that. Looks like you get a nice bag. A carry case, I should say. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright. So it has a nice cloth here. Sticker. And here's the knife. The inside of the case is really soft. The knife is in a nice bag. Civivi, now if you don't know, Civivi is a sub-brand of We Knife. We Knife, great knives, super high quality and usually pretty expensive. But Civivi knives are also like really well built. It's their sub brand, like I said, and yeah, they're affordable and they look great and they perform really well too. So let's check it out. And there's the Civivi Elementum. Obviously I got mine in this kind of OD green color. I think it looks awesome. Comes in a bunch of different colors. Feels really lightweight. Let's check out the flipper. Oh yeah. Super smooth, which is what I expected. Based off my other Civivi that I have. I don't know where it is right now, but yeah, I'm really liking this knife. First impressions are really good. Alright, so like I said, let's talk about this knife a little bit. Let's clear out some of this stuff. I'll leave the case out. Alright guys, so this is the Civivi Elementum. The best I can tell is that this is the most popular knife that Civivi currently makes. And just holding it here for the first time, I'm starting to see why. It's a really nice knife. Now let's go over the different features, and let's start by talking about the blade steel. So the blade steel on this knife is D2, which is a great knife steel. It's super strong. It holds an edge well. It takes a fine edge. It's not the best at corrosion resistance, but it does an okay job. It's not really bad. But yeah, I think the D2 steel that you're getting is definitely worth the money. It's a very good affordable knife steel. Now the blade shape that you get on the Elementum is a classic drop point. I think it looks cool. It's, like I said, classic. It does feature a hollow grind. So this knife is supposedly a very good slicer. I haven't tested that out yet, but I'm really liking this knife so far. The finish is a satin finish on the blade. It does come in several different finishes, but this one's just the satin one, which I think looks cool. Let's see, we've got some jimping here. Texture right there. It is sharp, so no need to go and sharpen it before you start carrying it around. And yeah, I think the blade is pretty awesome. Now when it comes to the handle, the scales, the material that you get is G10 on this one. I do think they come with other handle materials as well, but this one's G10. I really like G10. I think it's probably my favorite material for knife scales. Let's see how it feels. Yeah, definitely grippy, so you can get a good grip, good texturing on it. lightweight, and it feels really good. Like I said, there's some jimping here, and when I'm holding it, you can feel the clip, but it is comfortable. There's no hot spots, and yeah, it seems like it's a simple grip, but it feels really good in your hand. You do have the lanyard loophole right there, and overall I think the grip is very good. It feels great. Now the locking mechanism on this knife, you can see right here that it is a liner lock, and if you don't know what that is, the way it works is this piece of the liner goes right there and it pushes against the blade, and that's what locks it out. To close the blade, you just turn it to the side and close it. There are no thumb studs on this knife, but you do have the flipper back here, which has a little bit of texture right there. And the blade deployment is super smooth. And that's exactly how it is on my other Civivi. That's what I expected it to be on this knife as well. Yeah, it's nice. If you're like me and you fidget around with these knives a lot, this is gonna be an awesome knife. You're gonna love it. I can already tell from me that this is gonna be one of my favorites for a little while. Let's also check let's check and see if it wiggles around or anything. No. Nice and secure. Let's check out the alignment. Looks really good. Looks like it's centered. Now the clip that you get is a deep carry clip, which is what I like to see on these knives. If you've followed me at all, if you've subscribed, which please subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video please. But I like deep carry clips. They make the knife disappear in your pocket. They are comfortable to carry around, so I really like them, and I'm happy to report that this knife has a deep carry clip. Now it looks like you're set up for tip-up carry only, and it does not appear, and to me it doesn't look like the clip can be swapped to the other side. So if you're like a lefty and you would prefer to put the clip on this side, maybe there's a way you could do it, but it doesn't look like it's set up for that right off the bat. Now like I said, I've never carried this knife around, but I can tell you it is lightweight, it is slim, and that's another thing about it that I wanted to mention. You can see the scales, they're pretty slim, and so the overall knife is slim, and that is going to make this knife really awesome to carry around. It's going to be super comfortable. I can already tell. I do want to show you what it looks like when it's in a pocket, so let's do that now. So there you go. Like I said, it just disappears. All you can see is the clip. That makes it very comfortable, and then again, the fact that it's a super slim knife, yeah, this knife is going to be super easy to carry around. You're going to forget that you have it, but it's going to be there when you need it, which is cool. Yeah, I think it's going to be really, really easy to carry this knife around. Now in terms of size, I don't have a scale. I wish I did, but I can tell you that this knife is a lightweight knife, so you don't really have to be worried about it being bulky in terms of weight. And then I will measure out the size. Here is my quarter, so you can reference that, and then let's measure it out too. So looks to me like it's just under 7 inches total. Blade length about 3 inches. Handle just short of 4 inches maybe. So I think it's the perfect size for everyday carry. And like I told you before, I think it's going to be a really easy knife to carry around. Alright, so overall, what do I like about this knife? Well, I like that it has D2 steel, which is going to be super strong. It's going to hold up. It's going to hold an edge for a long time. I like the drop point blade. It's classic, and I think they made it look really sleek and unique on this knife. I like the hollow grind. This knife is going to be a really good slicer. I love the G10 handles and the jimping. It's all super comfortable. I like that you get a deep carry clip. And my favorite part about this knife is how smooth the blade deploys. It's super smooth, it feels great. Again, if you like to fidget, you're gonna love it because these Civivi knives are just the perfect. They're just awesome when it comes to deployment. So yeah, I'm really excited about this knife. I'm excited to carry it around. I'm glad I bought it and added it to my collection. And if you're thinking about the Elementum, all I can tell you is that I think this is an awesome knife and I'm really happy that I bought it. Now if you do want to pick one up, I will leave a link in the description below. That is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel. But aside from that, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in the next video. See ya.